Are you looking for the top 5 best circuit testers for cars? Before buying a circuit tester for your car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real users are talking about how some testers just don't deliver when it counts. Let's dig into the best options that actually work. Product number 1. Winamu Automotive Test Light. First up, we have the Winamu Automotive Test Light, priced at just $8.95. What caught my eye here is the bright LED display that shows voltage clearly even in low light. If you want precise readouts and a reliable indication of your vehicle's electrical systems, this is worth a serious look. The LED display offers a 0.1 volt resolution, which means you can quickly see the exact voltage reading of your car's battery or other electrical components. This is super important if you're trying to diagnose issues in a 3V to 48V system, which includes everything from headlights to alternators. Plus, with over 6,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that a lot of people find value in this tool. Now, some users mentioned that the probe can be a bit tricky to maneuver in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, for a price this low, it's still a great tool to have for most general diagnostics. If you're not working in super cramped conditions, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a budget-friendly solution. Skip this one if you need something for really tight spots or professional grade work, but honestly, for the price, it's a solid tool to have in your kit. Now, if the price... Product number 2, EM415 Pro Wire Tracer. Next, let's talk about the EM415 Pro Automotive Wire Tracer, which is available for $16.35. The flexible 7-inch probe and its ability to trace wires caught my eye. If you want something that can find short circuits and damaged wires quickly, this one definitely deserves your attention. This tool works across a range of 6 to 42V systems, making it versatile enough for cars, motorcycles, and even boats. The non-invasive wire tracking means you can locate issues without tearing apart your vehicle, which is a huge time saver. Over 1,000 units sold recently. It's clear this tool helps people tackle their electrical problems efficiently. A few reviews pointed out that the instructions could be clearer, which can be frustrating if you're not already familiar with this kind of tool. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to use. The value you get in terms of diagnostics makes it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're someone who often works on older vehicles or enjoys DIY repairs. Skip this if you're not comfortable with a little trial and error, but if you're willing to learn, this can be a game changer. All right, product number 3, Winamu Digital Voltage Display. Now, let's check out another Winamu product. This time, the Automotive Test Light with a 3 to 120 volt digital voltage display, priced at $13.99. The wider voltage range is what really stood out. If you want a tester that covers more ground, this is definitely worth a look. This model offers a clear digital readout across a range of 3 to 120 volts, which is perfect for various vehicles and scenarios. The dual color polarity indicator helps you quickly identify positive and negative connections, which is crucial when you're troubleshooting. With around 1,000 bought in the past month, people are recognizing its utility. One issue some users have reported is that the display can sometimes be hard to read in bright sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly working in the garage or shaded areas, it's not a deal breaker at all. It still performs excellently otherwise. This is perfect for you if you work on a variety of vehicle types and need a versatile tester. Skip this if you only work on classic cars that operate at lower voltages, but for most users, it's a reliable choice. Now, if you really want to...
Product number 4, Heavy Duty Digital LCD Tester. Coming in at $17.57, we have the Heavy Duty 3 to 65 volt backlit digital LCD circuit tester. The backlit display is a huge plus. If you've ever worked in a dim garage, you know how valuable that is. If you're serious about diagnosing your vehicle, this tool should be on your radar. This tester supports a voltage range of 3 to 65 volts and comes with a 140-inch extended spring wire, giving you plenty of reach when you're testing hard-to-reach areas. The stainless probe is designed for durability, making it suitable for tough jobs. It's been popular too, with over 1,000 units sold, indicating its reliable performance. However, some users did mention that the probe could feel a bit flimsy under pressure. Here's my take. While it's a concern, as long as you're gentle and precise, it gets the job done effectively. This is perfect for you if you need a tester that can handle rough use and hard access points. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, but for the performance you get, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're focused on professional diagnostics,
Product number 5. ChrisGuard Automotive Circuit Tracer at $24.99. This one caught my attention with its all-in-one diagnostic kit approach. If you want a comprehensive tool that can do it all, this could be your best bet. This tool accurately detects shorts and open circuits in 6 to 42 volt systems, which is perfect for a range of vehicles. The non-invasive wire tracking allows you to diagnose without invasive disassembly. It even includes a signal transmitter, receiver probe, and alligator clips, all you need for effective troubleshooting. With over 700 units sold recently, it's clearly gaining popularity. One downside some users noted is that it's a bit more complex to operate than simpler models. But honestly, if you're serious about diagnostics, the learning curve is worth it for the capabilities you gain. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need an effective diagnostic tool. Skip this.
To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic circuit testers today. The Winamoo Automotive Test Light is a great budget option, while the EM415 Pro wire tracer is perfect for those who need flexibility. The second Winamoo model offers a wider range, while the heavy-duty LCD tester is perfect for tough jobs. Finally, the ChrisGuard circuit tracer is ideal for serious diagnostics. Whatever your needs, there's a solid choice for you here.